here in the Fresno location. Check it out, this board's broken just like a lot of us, broken. There's a few things I want to talk about here, so I wrote them down. In the Fresno location, Shaw and Moreau, so you can hear the hustle and bustle of the Shaw right by me. It's actually right by that old orange store where it used to be like, they used to sell oranges. It's called the Orange Store, it looked like a gas station. They've since moved, but that's kind of where we're at here. I wrote these down, you guys, a push. You guys want to push, you guys need a push. It's just like when you're learning to ride a bike. A lot of that can be done by you. You can learn a lot of that yourself. But to get started at a good speed, especially if you're like going downhill, it's kind of like your results, they'll compile and you'll start to get momentum. But the better your push is in the beginning decides how fast you're going to get it. And that's kind of what we do. We do full body, we do high intensity. And even because you're a beginner, and these people actually have a better chance of getting results than anybody, you'll see why in a second. If we can get you a push, you're going to build some momentum and start getting results fast. And that's why we called it push boot camps, push fitness. And much like a boulder, right, going downhill, it's tough to move that boulder initially. Let us do the work, right? We have the right programming. But if you can train every single day, we're going to start building momentum. And that boulder, which seemed like such a big deal, is going to start snowballing, right? Snowballing down the hill. If you're a beginner, going from 0 to 1, that's a night and day difference. There's nothing here. You're doing nothing. You have no fitness program. You're a beginner. You haven't worked out since high school, right? There's a lot of people that come to us with those kind of things. If you can go from that just to step 1, right? Maybe there's people right next to you in class that are on step 100. But to go, you only got to go up 1 step, and you're night and day from 0 to 1. That's a world of a difference. But it's tough because if you're an athlete and you're already on level 100 to level 101 is still an increase by 1, but it's not a night and day difference. It doesn't look a night and day difference. That's why our beginners will lose 20 to 50 pounds. It's crazy. And it's the little things. If you guys can practice the little things here, if you can practice discipline in the small things, going to sleep on time, not doing cheat meals, not taking days off when you really could make it, but you just, I'm not feeling like it, or it's tough, or there's the little things. If we can practice the discipline and saying no, or, I cook for my family, but I'm not going to eat all of that bad food myself. What does this one even say? Full body metabolism boost. That's why beginners do such a great job with us in the bottom. Full body metabolism boost. There's a reason why beginners do so great. Is because your metabolism is so low. You haven't worked out since high school, right? Now this can be the reason why you're out of shape. But because of our programming here at Push and in the Push boot camps in Clovis, the fact that we work full body, high intensity, and always incorporate weights, this is why we can put a little bit of muscle just on everywhere, full body. And your metabolism is directly related by age, water content, how hydrated you are, and the amount of muscle mass you have. So the fact that we're gonna increase your metabolism, that's when you're sitting on the couch a month later, you're sitting on the couch, you're burning that much more calories. It's like an investment. So now your metabolism's higher, and see how that can kind of snowball. So, and then now that it's higher, we're still working on getting it even higher. So you're cutting back calories, but on top of that, your engine is burning more on a daily basis, and that compiles over every single day for the course of the month, for the course of the year. You can really get some life change if you stay consistent. But beginners do great because you haven't really stimulated the muscle like you could have. You haven't really stimulated the muscle, and there's a big reason why the beginners see such great results with us is because we're putting a little bit of muscle all over your body. The booty, the arms, the abs, the legs, definitely. There's a lot of places where we can add a little bit of muscle and it starts to stimulate your whole body metabolism. It really boosts it up if you're a beginner. If you're not receiving this kind of stimulus, even athletes, there's a reason why they have trainers. Even people that are trained individuals, we got a lot of guys that come in pretty fit, looking good, and they come in and they see the amount of cardio we do, and they're the first ones throwing up. It's because I can push you harder than you can push you, and that's the benefit of a coach. The fact that we do it so consistently, so affordably, and every single day, and it's a really good positive attitude, and environment's nothing but fun here. There's a reason why it's such a value and such a benefit to you, and I just want to share it with you guys. I'd love to see you soon. Looks like we've covered everything for now. Today's Sunday, but I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday. I'm here Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I'll be in Clovis on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'll see you guys soon.